Hi, we are Johnny and Sylvie, and we love dancing and traveling. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the captivating tale of our exhilarating journey to the enchanting island of Tenerife. I'm John, your guide through this incredible escapade, and it's an absolute thrill to have you join us on this spectacular ride. Here we go, Tenerife Sur. We are a couple from Argentina that live in London, and to escape the cold we decide to take a trip a month to a warm destination, as long as the pocket allows it. Why did we choose the Canary Islands and particularly Tenerife? In the Canary Islands, the climate ranges between 20 and 25 degrees all year round, while in the United Kingdom from September to April it is very cold and temperatures can reach -3. Now let's talk travel hacks. We have mastered the art of choosing the last seats on the plane. No rush to disembark, proximity to bathroom, and a serene space free from seat kickers or baby tantrums. And the joy of being the first to receive drinks and meals. It's a strategic choice that has proven to be pure genius. On the food side, no bland aeroplane food for us. We got John's homemade sandwiches and a stash of nuts. Occasionally, a tea of refreshing drink adds a zing to our in-flight experience as we soar through the sky, gazing down at our awe-inspiring planet. The world takes on a new perspective, reminding us of our incredible fortune. Speaking of the skies, Tenerife's past unfolds with a chilling tale from 1977. An incident involving two Boeing 747s colliding on the runway, now a relic of history, thanks to the marvels of modern aviation technology. Touching down in Tenerife, our Airbnb check-in is swiftly followed by a supermarket spree, a moonlit beach stroll, and a well-deserved night's rest. Good morning! Today we are going for a walk with Sylvie to Las Teresitas Beach. We are going to take a walk along the promenade. It is a very windy day, but we are still going to enjoy it. Then we are going to sit at a bar and drink some mojitos, chat about exciting things with Sylvie, and enjoy the beach. Especially arriving at sunset, we are going to go to Cristianos Beach to walk around there. Today the weather is spectacular, it's about 23 degrees and I will likely swim in the sea.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? So take a kid away. And chicken in your head, 쉽잖아도 진실한 나만 내 believes.
Estamos acá en Tenerife, llegamos ayer, estamos pasando espectacular. Este lugar es paradisíaco, como pueden ver, ya seguimos mostrando algunas imágenes. Espero que se diviertan mucho con el video. Bueno, muy pronto me pongan like si les gusta o alguna opinión. Estamos esperando ansiosamente sus opiniones. Hi, we're walking along Tenerife, Tenerife's main road. It's a very busy road, there's a lot of tourists and it's really lovely, right? You
Yes.
like it, Johnny?
Yes, I like it so
What
much.
do you think about Tenerife so far?
An amazing place to spend holidays.
We've been here before, this is the second time. This is the second time we visit. We're very happy here. The weather is spectacular. It's a little bit windy today, but we have the best hot with the heat on our faces. This is so different from the UK, that's where we live normally. And December is horrendous, so we're having a great time here, right? And now we're going to go to the beach later. We're going to walk around and look for some shops. Look around some shops, and then we're going to come back later for a swim in the sea. So enjoy!
Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours. Yeah. Nobody knows.
And now I'm going to recite the poem about our trip to Tenerife. In Tenerife embrace, love takes flight, under the sun golden light. Hand in hand along the shore we roam, a symphony of love like ocean's foam. Mojitos in hand, a refreshing delight, sipping sweetness in the warm night. The rhythm of waves, a soothing song, is this paradise where hearts belong. Amid palms, trees and whispers of the sea, our love story unfolds, wild and free. With every sip, the essence of bliss, in Tenerife's magic, sealed with a kiss. Under the stars, our spirits entwine, mojitos and love, the dance divine. In this heaven of joy, where dreams ignite, Tenerife, the canvas of our love, so bright. We spent more than 2 hours walking along the beach, and feeling the sea and the sand between my bare feet made me feel enormous peace and tranquility. The sea is transparent and the sand is clean and soft. After the beach, we returned to the Airbnb and enjoyed some time in the pool to take some very nice photos. More than anything, photos of Sylvie and photos together to have a beautiful memory of this incredible trip. First night in Tenerife, amazing place. Come here to Tenerife right now if you want to have fun with me and Sylvie. Sylvie is eating an apple. Very healthy, Sylvie. Congratulations. The next day we got up and went for a walk along the boardwalk. In all the destinations where we have been, we always take a whole day to get to know the destination and food. We take a backpack or bag with food, a drink, sunscreen, a swimsuit, and something else that can help us during our walk. I think that walking is not only a very good exercise for your health, but also your brain.
Now give me the beat.
Yes, amazing place. After an hour of walking, we found Puerto Colón. Speaking of ports, I'm going to tell you a very interesting tale about Tenerife. Before crossing the Atlantic Ocean, Magellan made a technical stop in Tenerife to resupply with food, water and slaves. Also to repair the ships. After Tenerife, he crossed the Atlantic Ocean in approximately 3 months, and the first port he arrived at was the port and beach of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. There he found some very friendly tribes who mixed with the crew, fed them and had fun. Then they left for Buenos Aires, when they did not do so well. Thus they found what they describe as human beings, giants, cannibals, and very strong. After skirting the Argentine coast, Magellan passed through the Strait of Magellan to make their way towards the Pacific Ocean. Fun fact: the name Pacific Ocean wasn't just casually coined. Magellan and his crew, inspired by the serene waters, purchased the term with a splash of poetic flair, distinguishing it from its sibling, the tempestuous Atlantic Ocean. After months at sea, they arrived in the Philippines, where Magellan was murdered by a local tribe. I want us to pause in our story for a moment and imagine ourselves arriving on the shores of a paradise island, South America or Philippines, being Europeans in the 1500s. After Puerto Colón, we went to have some drinks at a bar in front of the port. They had very good drinks, but very strong. I ordered a fresh Lima Caipirinha and Sylvie ordered a house drink. We enjoyed it very much. From there, we went to watch the sunset, and we found one of the most beautiful sunsets we have seen in our life. We feel grateful for having the opportunity not only to travel to Tenerife, but to enjoy these beautiful sunsets that does our hearts good. Sadly, it's our last day in Tenerife. Ole! Long live to Spain and Tenerife. On the last day in Tenerife, we got up, ran to the beach, sat down, and lay down on a lounge chair that had a beautiful umbrella straw.
We are here still in Tenerife, and we are having a great time. We're leaving today on our flight in the evening, and we would like to give you an overview of what we did and talk with Johnny as well, my boyfriend. He has a lot to say about what we've done. So what was the best about the trip, Johnny? What did you like best?
The best part for me is the beach and swimming the sea, crystal clear sea, really, and the temperature was between 20 degrees, so it was amazing.
Okay, and what was not so good about your trip?
Maybe it's too windy. Tenerife is really too windy.
At this time of year, yes, not always.
Yes.
It's December.
Yes,
It's winter.
and Sylvie, tell me, what was your favorite dish here in Tenerife?
Well, I enjoyed lots of different foods because Johnny is a chef, so he cooks a lot of things, lovely food. So I enjoy the seafood is great. Anything to do with seafood. So if you enjoy seafood, I recommend that you try it here. And I love pork in particular as well. Pork is really good here, and not so much meat, I think, but pork is great. And Johnny, what did you like about the food? Do you agree that that's the best to
Seafood. If you come to Tenerife, seafood. Love it. And Sylvie, what do you think about the sunset?
I think the sunset was amazing. I loved the filming it. We have a lovely video of the sunset. We took amazing pictures. It's great light for pictures, so I recommend it if you want to come, you guys, to Tenerife. Watch the sunset and try and watch the sunrise as well if you are okay for getting up in the morning, because it's worth it. It's really worth it. It's such an amazing spiritual experience.
Yes, amazing trip.
Yes, so that's what's the conclusion? Do you want to draw the conclusion of the trip? What's the conclusion of Tenerife?
Tenerife is an amazing place to spend your holidays. It's full of joy and wonderful people, so I recommend it.
Okay. Yeah, me too. See you soon, guys. Bye.